Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Elf Kit is probably one of the most creative and fun ways to add magic to your holiday season, and in this video, I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Elf on the Shelf Idea Kit, exploring its features, accessories, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your family's holiday traditions, so keep watching to find out if this kit lives up to the hype and makes your holiday season even more special. Number 5. Elf Notes Accessories. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Make it even more magical with elf notes. They'll add a special touch to your holiday elf's visits. With 30 unique activity cards, you'll never run out of ideas to keep the kids engaged and excited. It's perfect for the whole holiday season. These cards are designed by a certified teacher to make learning fun. They're perfect for sparking creativity and curiosity. Each card is the perfect size for your elf to use as an accessory. They're just the right size to add to your elf's miniature world. Elf notes come in a collectible tin, making it a fantastic holiday gift that keeps on giving throughout the season. It's a gift that will be treasured for years to come. Create lasting memories with your family this holiday season. Elf notes will help you make this Christmas extra special. What we like. It includes 30 educational activity cards designed by a certified teacher. If you are looking for engaging and educational activities for your elf, this is perfect for you. It ensures your children will have fun while learning something new each day. What people say. The kids like that they get to do activities from their elf. They came in a sturdy case. I use these with my 6-year-old granddaughter. We are trying to get her reading, and this is a fun way to motivate her. Packaging ideal for careful storage, can be suspended from out-of-way hook to be kept from prying eyes. Also, container very durable and will not accidentally dislodge cards. Might consider set by boy elf and set by girl elf. These suggestions are all from a boy elf but are a nice mix of activities as well as careful reminders of thoughtful behaviors. I am pleased with purchase and with delivery. Number 4. Elf Notes Countdown Kit. It's the most wonderful time of the year. This kit helps you create a magical countdown to Christmas with a special message from your elf each day. You'll receive 32 elf notes, each with a unique activity or message. Plus, there's a naughty or nice checklist and an official elf report. Each note offers a different theme, activity suggestion, and a special message to make the countdown even more exciting. Spend quality time with your loved ones, creating memories that will last a lifetime. It's easy to follow and fun for everyone. This kit is made with love in the USA, ensuring high quality and supporting American craftsmanship. Enjoy the magic. Get ready for a magical Christmas season with this Elf Notes Countdown Kit. It's the perfect way to add some extra holiday cheer to your home. What we like. This kit has 32 elf notes and extra festive stationery. If you want to start a new Christmas tradition with a daily countdown, this is the one for you. It offers a variety of activities to keep things fresh and exciting throughout the holiday season. What people say. These cards have saved me on more than one occasion. Takes the guesswork out of what to do with the elf every night. This set is great. Now I don't have to create Christmas-themed files to leave notes for the kiddo. These are super cute. They made elf magic so much easier. Number 3. Elf on the Shelf. It's a beloved tradition that families cherish year after year. It brings joy and magic to the holiday season. He or she is ready to become part of your family's Christmas traditions. Choose from a boy or girl elf with light or dark skin. With over 2.5 million copies sold, it's a favorite for a reason. It's become a modern Christmas classic. Many consider it the best Christmas tradition since 'twas the night before Christmas. It's a magical addition to your holiday. Give it a fun, festive look with the adorable Scout elf skirt. It's the perfect accessory to add to your elf. What we like. It's a timeless Christmas classic loved by families. If you are looking for a traditional story to share with your children, this is a great choice. It's a bestseller for a reason, promising a cherished holiday experience. What people say. The elf itself is approximately 13 inches tall, fully extended, and his outfit feels like it is made of a felt-like material. His body is stuffed with plastic pellets and his head is made of hard plastic with nicely painted on facial features. Included in the very sturdy and reusable box is the elf and a colorful, hardcover storybook which explains in a rhyming, storytelling manner how to use the elf on the shelf. The storybook is a beautiful hardcover with colorful pictures and the book reads like a rhyme. It is approximately 26 pages long and explains how the elf on the shelf works. Number 2. Elf on the Shelf Kit. It's a 60-page guide packed with over 100 magical ideas for your elf. With 135 plus colorful photos, it's bursting with inspiration to make your holiday extra special. This kit includes 15 fun tools to help your elf create amazing scenes. Let them use these tools to create unforgettable moments of elfish fun. It's easy to use. This kit provides 100 plus quick and easy ideas for daily holiday adventures and endless giggles for the whole family. You can adopt a Scout elf from a Santa-approved center. Bring home your own elf to recreate scenes from the book and enjoy imaginative playtime. Share the magic of this holiday tradition with friends and family. Create lasting Christmas memories with this extravaganza-glorious elf activity kit. What we like. This kit provides a 60-page guidebook with 100 plus ideas and 15 elf tools. If you need inspiration and props for your elf's daily adventures, this is the perfect solution. It makes creating magical moments for your family easy and fun. What people say. The best part about this kit is the sheer number of ideas it provides, over 100 days worth of ideas. From silly pranks to heartwarming scenes, there is truly something for everyone. The accessories included in this kit are of exceptional quality. The durable materials ensure that they can withstand the playful antics of our Scout elf. The miniatures, props, and stickers are all so well crafted and designed with attention to detail. The included book serves as a handy guide that explains each idea with clear instructions and colorful illustrations. It takes away all the guesswork and makes it easy to bring each idea to life. Additionally, the creativity journal provided in the kit allows children to brainstorm their own ideas and contribute to the overall experience. Number 1. Elf Peppermint Balloon. Introducing the Elf on the Shelf Peppermint Balloon Ride. It's the perfect addition to your holiday decorations. This fun and festive balloon is easy to assemble and will add a touch of whimsy to your home. Everything you need is included: a festive peppermint balloon, an easy-to-assemble basket, sturdy supports, and even a candy cane cable. It's ready for your elf to take flight. It couldn't be simpler to set up. Just inflate the balloon and attach the included basket and supports. Your Scout elf will be soaring in no time. Standing at 2 feet tall, it makes a big statement. It's sure to be a delightful focal point in your holiday display. Check out the back of the packaging for creative display ideas to make it even more special. Let your imagination take flight. Please note, this fun balloon ride doesn't include a Scout elf. It's the perfect accessory for your existing elf. What we like. It's an adorable peppermint balloon ride set that's easy to assemble. If you like creative and whimsical elf scenes, this will add a touch of magic to your holiday display. It's a fun and unique way to showcase your elf. What people say. Daughter loved finding her elf flying in on this balloon. Looks great and kids love it. The assembly basket is okay, but worth the excitement of the balloon. Easy to put together, well made. The only hard part is deciding where to put it. I reinforced the basket with clear tape just to be on the safe side. I hung it from the chandelier in our dining area. Comes with plenty of string, the same string as the kit that comes with a variety of props like the candy cane grappling hook. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.